Hello guys, welcome once again. Last time we have seen how to use AND and OR operators in MySQL query. In this video we will see how to use order by operator or clause in your MySQL. So, sorry. Here we have the table and we want the table to be shown in ascending or descending order of ages, or ascending or descending order of names, starting from A up to Z, or age, for example, starting from lower value and ending up to higher value. How to show this, I will show you right now. So what you need to write is write this, select star from your database name dot your table name, and after that you have to write order by, and for example I want to sort my table according to the ages, so I will write order by age, and I will execute this query by pressing this button. And you can see here, starting from smallest age, this data goes to highest age. And so by default the query takes or sorts the data in ascending order. If you want to sort the data in descending order, you need to write here, after order by age, after write DESC, and then I will execute the query and see it's the age is ordered in descending order. If I want to sort name in ascending order, I can do that also, and my names are ordered in starting from A up to Z. So in this way you can order your table whatever way you want. So this is very useful while you want to show these tables using some software. So I think that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.